Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen is there is a continuous downfall we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, it was sustaining in a zone of $2 to a $3 zone. Before pandemic, after pandemic, what we have seen that the price is creating a pattern that you have to understand here, and that whenever hit its previous high we have seen a sharp fall comes, that is 10 to $50 sharp we have seen. Okay, see, if you look at this particular trend, I'm showing you that the first fall we have seen and there is a fall, and when it started forming a swing, then a next move upside towards to a second, third, fourth, fifth, a same pattern we have seen. For the sixth time we could have seen, but it is not creating a U pattern. That is where it goes upside, but it is not sustaining any good resistance above that resistance, and then so that we should have seen a good upside, but it didn't sustain. Okay, some of the reasons can be that because the war situation was there, and Fed was increasing in interest rates. See, and the next thing is that it is created a gap here at a level of 4.1 to a 4.35. So chances can be high, if this comes close to a level of 4.1, chances of filling this gap is on a higher side. Okay, and why we have seen so much volatility in the price of natural gas? Because of the war situation, Fed was increasing interest rate and USD dollar getting strengthened. Okay, if the USD dollar gets strengthened, what will happen? The countries who are importing natural gas have to pay more prices. Okay, for the same they were importing. Okay, so that is where the price of natural gas was high for them. If the price move that means if the price comes down, then they have to pay less, and that is where the volatility in natural gas was moving high, because of the import and export imbalances. See, now suppose of the price, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high yes it cannot sustain, because we have seen there is a zone breakout can happen, because it was moving in a zone of $3 to a level of $2. Okay, and if you look at this particular zone, it has not touched this particular zone for quite some time, so chances can be high. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can go further low towards a level of $2.061. Okay, and once started moving below this level, then we can see a level of 2.051, which is a point where support which is on the down of that particular zone. So once it started falling below $2.051, when we can see a level of $2.018. Okay, and if that level move further low, then chance of touching $1.94 will be there. Okay, and if that level also move further down, then a chances of touching $1.828 will be there, and if the price fall below this particular level, chance of touching 1.79 it is there. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, chances of touching a level of 1.721 after crossing level of 1 then we can see a level of $1.647, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $1.568, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description as well. Okay, now see, this is the zone. If this zone breakout happened at a level of $5.8184, chances of going further down is there. Okay, so what we can see, if the price started falling below this level, then we can see it can move further down. But if it form a swing at the upside, because you will not see sharp upside and sharp fall, okay, it will hold for some time, then it will go upside, it will hold for some time, then it will come down. Okay, there will be sharp fall or sharp rise only when there is big event happening, otherwise it will not. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price form a swing at this particular level, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and it can touch a level of around $2.108, and if that level move further high, then we can see a level of $2.264. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can go further upside and can go further high towards a level of $2.325, and from there we can see a level of 2.512. Okay, and once started sustaining of $2.521, chances of touching a level of 2.596 will be there, and once started going high, then a probability of crossing from this particular zone is on higher side, because once started moving up that level, chances of touching $2.58 is there, and from there we can see a level of 2.9. And if the price sustain above this level, chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see a level of $2.836, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $3.054. Okay, and this is the zone high. So once started moving upside, then we can see it can go further high, because this is the zone where the price of natural gas is moving for quite some time. So once started moving up this level, then we can see a level of $3.4 to a level of 3.5, and then we can see a level of $3.9. Okay, so if the price sustain up this level, chances of filling this gap is on higher side. So 4.1 we can see, if the price sustain above $4, chances of filling this gap will be there, and then we can see a level of 4.35. Okay, so once the price sustaining above 4.35, then we can see it can go further upside, and then you can see it, we can see a price of natural gas moving. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video.